Are you looking for an eco-friendly and sustainable alternative to traditional charcoal? Look no further than coconut charcoal. With its numerous benefits for both the environment and your grilling experience, it's no wonder why coconut charcoal has become the go-to choice for conscious consumers. Not only does it produce less smoke and ash compared to other types of charcoal, but it also burns hotter and longer, ensuring a more consistent and efficient grilling session. But where can you find the leading coconut charcoal manufacturer for all your grilling needs? Look no further than Jackoid, the industry leader in producing high-quality and sustainable coconut charcoal. With their commitment to social and environmental responsibility, Jackoid ensures that every bag of their coconut charcoal is made from ethically sourced materials and manufactured using sustainable practices. Discover the benefits of coconut charcoal and take the sustainable choice for your grilling needs. Trust Jackoid to provide you with the highest quality coconut charcoal and enjoy a guilt-free grilling experience like never before.